Hi, my name is Nancy. In Advanced Periodontics, I got LANAP and an implant. I had gone to my dental hygienist for cleaning, and she said there was a little bleed in one part of my mouth, and I got very, very upset because I knew that that meant going to a periodontist, having my gums cut, stitched, etc. I heard horror stories about it. You know, people were stitched and they got infections, and so she said, go to Dr. Amato at Advanced Periodontics. He's wonderful.
Nancy, I got a chance to meet her probably only 4 or 5 years or so ago, and she had some periodontal issues, and we were able to treat her with our LANAP therapy.
I came here, and Nancy, who was the treatment coordinator, took me through the whole office, and it was wonderful. Everybody was so concerned with how I was feeling and what was going to happen. So when I went for my treatment with Dr. Amato, I was deathly scared. But lo and behold, nothing to be scared of. There was no cutting, there was no stitching. It was just amazing. I went home that night, I ate. I had absolutely no pain, no infection. Even when I had my implants, I had not one bit of pain. They explained everything. If I had any questions, I could call. If I had anything that was wrong, I never had to do that. So every time I have to come here for something, I'm not apprehensive at all.
She was so happy with the results that she brought her husband to come and see us, and he had not only LANAP, but he also had multiple implants placed, and they're both doing great.
There's such good people that work together. I kind of like that feeling when I come here. Everyone seems to really mesh, and that's what makes me feel comfortable. So as much as I always feared coming, I don't have that fear when I come here at all. Advanced Periodontics has changed my mind completely about dentistry. My teeth are in really good shape, and I think if I didn't come here, I would have been in real trouble in the future.